1 in 5 Missourians is over 65, and most counties have almost zero competition for home care. Missouri's senior population is growing fast, and while St. Louis and Kansas City are crowded with agencies, dozens of counties across this state are wide open, underserved, aging, and ready for a provider like you. So where are the real opportunities? Let's break it down. The Lake of the Ozarks corridor, Camden, Miller, and Morgan counties has senior populations hitting 24 to 30%. Low competition, strong private pay demand. Premium live-in and seasonal care packages thrive here. Regional hubs like Springfield, St. Joseph, Cape Girardeau, and Rolla offer steady hospital discharges, balanced Medicaid and private pay mixes, and established referral networks. These are solid, scalable launch markets. And then there are the underserved rural clusters, Howell County, the Ozarks, the Bootheel, senior populations above 22%, very few providers. Medicaid waiver-anchored stability. These markets are practically waiting for someone to show up. To win in Missouri, you need a clear positioning strategy. Think dementia care pathways, hospital-to-home bundles with 48-hour rapid starts, VA referral pipelines, and bilingual caregiving teams in metro areas. Your launch checklist is straightforward. Pick one hub county plus 1 or 2 adjacent rural counties. Define your payer mix: private pay in suburban and lake markets, Medicaid waivers in rural areas. Lock in 4 to 6 referral anchors, hospital case managers, VA clinics, skilled nursing facilities. And have your documentation ready on day 1. Missouri's 2026 window is open, but it won't stay that way forever. Want hands-on help? Visit www.carepolicy.us today. We'll get you licensed, compliant, and ready to serve your community with confidence.